Okay, derivatives and integrals for bases other than e. Here are your rules. All right, take a minute, pause, write them down. Derivative of a to the u is u prime times a to the u ln of a. Derivative of log base a to the u, if it's log with a different base than e, it's u prime over u times ln of a. And then the integral of a to the u is a to the u over ln of a plus c. You can figure them out. How we do that is, let me show you. So if you have y equals a to the u, so y equals 2 to the x. All right, how you can do that is ln of y equals x ln of 2, right? Now, if you did the derivative of each side, derivative of ln of y is dy times derivative of ln is 1 over y equals, here ln of 2 is just a product. It's just a constant. So it's basically saying like 2x, derivative would be 2. So it's ln of 2 times x, which means your derivative is ln of 2. Now, from there, you have to get rid of this y. So, and this would be dx over here. Sorry. This side was in terms of x. There's your dy dx. So here, multiply both sides times y, which means that cancels. You get dy equals, now, y on this side, y is 2 to the x. So you have 2 to the x times ln of 2. And I'm going to move the dx over here, so dy dx equals 2 to the x times ln of 2. All right, which is how you get 2 to the x times ln of 2 times u prime. So if that happened to be like 3x up here, you'd also have a 3 out in front, and you'd see how that works out. Okay, that's how you do those. It's all by using the properties of logs and then doing your derivative implicitly. So, sorry, that probably screwed you up with the dx here. It's y in terms of x. That dx would be there. So you can memorize the rules or you can do it out each time. It doesn't matter to me. You know that. It's all about what you feel comfortable with. So y equals 5 to the x. Y prime, or dy dx, would just be 5 to the x times ln of 5. Okay, something like x to the 3x, you actually need to do this process for that. These are the same, so I'm only going to do one of them. Y equals x to the 3x, you would do ln of y equals 3x ln of x. Alright, ln of y, you would have 1 over y dy dx. Here you have a product. Derivative of the first is 3 times the second plus the first is 3x times 1 over x. Those x's cancel. So you have 3 ln of x plus 3 equals 1 over y dy dx. And then you have to multiply both sides times y. When you multiply by y, that is multiplying by x to the 3x. So dy, oops, that's a y, dy dx equals x to the 3x times 3 ln of x plus 3. Okay, so you're going to practice some of those on your homework. The next one, when you integrate, here are your rules again. The integral of a to the u over ln of a. Okay, so again, this one really is just memorizing. The derivatives, you can figure them out. Integrals, you really can't. So if it's 7 to the x, the integral is 7 to the x over ln of 7 plus c. With this one, 2 can come out in front. So you get 2 times 4 to the x over ln of 4 plus c. Okay, so that's it. These right here is just, that's a table with all of your rules in it. Derivative, integral of each of them is here. Derivative is there. All right. I think this should be here. This is what it equals. Okay. So there you go. That is derivatives and integrals of exponential functions with bases other than e.